Attention.
Le mot de question, what, n'est pas utilisé.
Question word, what, is not used. Question word, what, is not used.
Au lieu de cela, le mot utilisé, that.
Instead, the used word, that. Instead, the used word, that.
Je pense que ces leçons m'aident.
I think that these lessons help me. I think that these lessons help me.
Je sais que j'ai de réels progrès.
I know that I have real progress. I know that I have real progress.
Je sens que j'ai de nouvelles connaissances.
I feel that I get new knowledge. I feel that I get new knowledge.
Je vois qu'elle fait tellement d'erreurs.
I see that she makes so many mistakes. I see that she makes so many mistakes.
Il sait que ça marche vraiment.
He knows that it really works. He knows that it really works.
Elle pense que ça aide vraiment.
She thinks that it really helps. She thinks that it really helps.
Vous sentez que ces leçons mieux.
You feel that these lessons better. You feel that these lessons better.
Elle voit qu'elle me comprend mieux.
She sees that she understands me better. She sees that she understands me better.
Je veux dire que j'aime courir.
I want to say that I like running. I want to say that I like running.
Je tiens à dire que j'aime le lait au chocolat.
I want to say that I enjoy chocolate milk. I want to say that I enjoy chocolate milk.
Je veux dire que j'aime les livres.
I want to say that I like books. I want to say that I like books.
Je veux le dire.
I want to say it. I want to say it.
Je veux dire ces phrases.
I want to tell these phrases. I want to tell these phrases.
Je veux le dire maintenant.
I want to say it now. I want to say it now.
Je veux dire à tout le monde ici.
I want to tell everyone here. I want to tell everyone here.
Il veut dire qu'il a de grands projets.
He wants to say that he has big plans. He wants to say that he has big plans.
Je veux dire que j'ai de gros progrès.
I want to say that I have big progress. I want to say that I have big progress.
Je veux dire que j'apprécie ces leçons.
I want to say that I enjoy these lessons. I want to say that I enjoy these lessons.
Je veux dire que j'étudie aussi.
I want to say that I also study. I want to say that I also study.
Je veux dire que j'apprends l'anglais ici.
I want to say that I learn English here. I want to say that I learn English here.
Je veux te dire que ça marche vraiment.
I want to tell you that it really works. I want to tell you that it really works.
Je veux te dire que ça aide vraiment.
I want to tell you that it really helps. I want to tell you that it really helps.
Je veux te dire que je parle vraiment sans erreur.
I want to tell you that I really speak without mistakes. I want to tell you that I really speak without mistakes.
Je veux vous dire que je comprends les locuteurs natifs.
I want to tell you that I understand native speakers. I want to tell you that I understand native speakers.
Je veux dire que je vois ces progressions.
I want to say that I see this progress. I want to say that I see this progress.
Je comprends qu'il étudie et travaille.
I understand that he studies and works. I understand that he studies and works.
Je comprends que vous voulez plus.
I understand that you want more. I understand that you want more.
Je pense qu'elle le fait vraiment bien.
I think that she does it really well. I think that she does it really well.
Je pense qu'il a de grands progrès.
I think that he has a big progress. I think that he has a big progress.
Je sais que vous avez peu de temps libre, mais vous voulez vraiment étudier l'anglais plus intensivement.
I know that you have little free time, but you really want to study English more intensively. I know that you have little free time, but you really want to study English more intensively.
Je sais que je comprends la prononciation anglaise.
I know that I understand English pronunciation. I know that I understand English pronunciation.
Elle sait que vous comprenez la grammaire anglaise.
She knows that you understand English grammar. She knows that you understand English grammar.
Vous voyez que les locuteurs natifs me comprennent.
You see that native speakers understand me. You see that native speakers understand me.
Je vois que tout le monde le comprend.
I see that all people understand it. I see that all people understand it.
Nous voyons que tout le monde le fait.
We see that all people do it. We see that all people do it.